Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Group of Institutions, Department of Civil Engineering. Myself, Suresh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering. In today's lecture, I am going to explain about leveling. Leveling is Unit 2 as per R18 regulation. Leveling. What is leveling? What do you mean by leveling? It is a branch of surveying in which the elevations of a given points on above or below the ground with respect to an assumed datum are determined. So whenever you are doing survey, okay, with reference to a datum, if you are taking any observations or elevations, that in levels of a ground, that levels are below the earth surface or above or below the earth surface, is known as leveling. It is also defined as points at given elevation or at different elevation with respect to a given datum are established. Okay, this leveling can be defined in both ways. See, there are some terms which need to know if you want to understand clearly about leveling. So the basic definitions in leveling are level surface, level line, horizontal plane, vertical line, datum, elevation, vertical angle, mean sea level, benchmark. These all parameters will let you know clearly the understanding of leveling. So first I will explain you leveling. What is leveling and what is level surface? Now the level surface is nothing but each point is perpendicular to the direction of gravity at that point. It also may be defined as level surface is defined as any surface parallel to the mean spheroidal surface of the earth. Okay, any surface which is parallel to the earth surface. Okay, that is nothing but the earth. So if you want to know about this level, what is level line? Now the next will comes, that is level line. What is this level line? The level line is defined as a line that lie in a level surface. It is perpendicular to the direction of gravity at that point. So whatever the level surface is there, the level surface, the line lie on this level surface is known as level line. The level line is perpendicular to the direction of gravity. That is level line. Horizontal plane. What is horizontal plane? Horizontal plane through a point is a plane tangential to the level surface. Tangential to the level surface at that point. It is perpendicular to the direction of gravity at that point. If you see here, this level surface, that is horizontal plane, if it is my earth surface, my line is tangential to this line. This tangential to this line is known as horizontal plane. This is my HP, that is horizontal plane. This is my horizontal plane. Horizontal plane line. So here, what is horizontal line? Horizontal plane through a point is plane tangential to the level surface at that point. It is perpendicular to the direction of gravity at that point. See, the line on this tangential, the line on this tangential is known as horizontal line. Vertical line. What is vertical line? Vertical line is a line normal to the level line. What we have discussed as a level line, that level line is normal to that, but that level line is known as a vertical line. It is normally considered to be a plumb bob line. So if you observe here, this is my vertical line. If I draw a line perpendicular to this, that line is known as VL line. That is vertical line. That is VL line. That VL line is a vertical line. What is datum? Datum is a surface with reference to which elevations are referred. The datum is nothing but a fixed surface where we take the observations. That is known as datum. Usually, mean sea level is taken as datum. So here, what is elevation? So elevation, vertical angle, and mean sea level. See here, the mean sea level, usually there will be a before India and Pakistan was together, then the mean sea level is at Karachi. But after the separation of India and Pakistan, our mean sea level has shifted to Mumbai. Our mean sea level is nothing but Mumbai. All the maps which have been established with reference to the mean sea level only. Elevations, the elevations are nothing but the elevation on the line which is above the earth surface is known as elevation. What is vertical angle? The angle which made with reference to any meridian is known as angle. Mean sea level, I already explained. Benchmark. Okay. What is benchmark? I will explain you here. The benchmark is a fixed point of reference whose elevation with respect to datum is known as benchmark. It is by using this BM. We can indicate this benchmark as BM. We determine the elevations of all other points. Benchmark. These benchmark have been classified into 4 types. That is GST benchmark, GTS benchmark, permanent benchmark, arbitrary benchmark, and temporary benchmark. These benchmarks are explained briefly. What is the importance of this benchmark? Okay, and what is this definitions of this benchmark? We'll see in the next class. Okay, thank you.